Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so for this, I'm going to take first this shape as a rectangular prism. And so when I do my rectangular prism, this here is a sphere, okay? And a sphere is the same dimensions on all sides. So my rectangular prism is going to be 0.75 times 0.75 times 2.5, okay? So 0.75 times 0.75 times 2.5. And so this whole section here is going to be 1.40625. And I'm going to subtract a half of a sphere because these 2/4 make a half. So I'm going to minus 4/3 times pi times the radius of 0.75 cubed, and I'm going to divide that by 2. So 0.75 cubed times 3.14 times 4 divided by 3, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. So it's 1.40625 minus 0.883125. So 1.40625 minus 0.883125. And that's 0.523175. Okay, so that's the volume of this section here. So now, if I'm going to take away 0.75, so 1.25 minus 0.75 is 0.5. So this is 0.5 and this is 0.5. And I'm going to take this volume and I'm going to add this. So I'm going to have 0.883125 plus, that's 0.05. So this is 1. A 1 by 0.75, and then the thickness is 0.75. So 1 times 0.75 times 0.75. So that's 0.883125 plus 0.5625. And that is 1.445625. And that's centimeters cubed is the volume. And so I found the volume, and now you can find the surface area. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.